Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Samsung 571 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 571 liters, compressor type, digital inverter, defrosting type, frost-free, specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Type side by side refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Number of doors 2. Coming to the warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor from Samsung. Cost price 1,01,700 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dreamview channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.